He said, yeah, I had to shoot at some dogs. It was in my yard, getting on my nerve.
Rifles mounted on the back of their pickup trucks.
Yeah, y'all can carry guns out here in the car.
Oh, shit, yeah, they're proud of it.
Gun-toting. Gun-toting Texas.
Yeah, you guys originated it, that's it. They don't play around, man. Yeah. You can still get hung for, like, killing a horse or stealing a horse.
Yeah, yeah. But guns are okay.
I know.
Oh, man.
Freddie Bates. Like Norman Bates. Backstage right now. We Houston Rockets. That's Kevski right there.
You got that set of headphones in the back seat, you know.
Oh, I did leave him there?
Yeah. Right here.
All right, I'll get it when I come out.
Yeah, just
thanks.
let you know.
Thanks.
Happy New Year, guys.
Thank you. You too, bro.
Thank you, bro.
What's up, man?
Freddie, good to meet you.
It's Kyle.
Yeah, sound check's at 2:30, so we got about 15 minutes. Okay. About 10 minutes. Right out there at the court.
What's up, y'all? It's the Lexus Lounge. Nice. You know, red. Okay. Got a car up there in the bleacher.
A car?
A truck. See the truck? Oh, parked in the bleacher. That's crazy, right?
You're going to be looking at the crowd on this side right here. The west this crowd. John need help from us staff, like y'all need to bring anything out, and like stuff you need to set out on the court. Anything that y'all are going to need like some extra hands for. No? Okay.
Oh, that's a Logan. That's a Logan. That was good, though. Oh,
Church, yeah.
About 5 minutes.
Rockets.
Damn, that's me.
They got the music, right?
You guys have the music in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used the ear monitors. You know the one? Yeah, I use the ear monitors, the ones you plug in and you clip on the belt.
No, it's just
This mic? Okay.
handheld mic.
All right.